Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. If you are looking for some modern, beautiful, bright, glimmering dinnerware, then you will love this set from KINGSTONE. This set is absolutely stunning. Each of the pieces is made out of that fine stainless steel, and you can see the hammered metal on each handle. I was really surprised not only at how sharp the butter knives are, but even the forks are extra sharp and pointy, making eating and picking up food off of your plate really easy. This set is the 20-piece set. It comes with a tablespoon, a teaspoon, butter knives, a salad fork, and dinner fork, and you get 4 of each. I'm really impressed with the craftsmanship, the heaviness of the pieces, as well as how bright and shiny they are. You can see I compared them to my older set and they're absolutely gleaming. It's so pretty to be able to have company and have a beautiful dinner set, especially one that's matching, to be able to have for all of your company when they come over. Or you can save this set for special occasions and it would be just as beautiful. Having a beautiful dinner set, even just on everyday occasions, makes dinner time feel extra special and elegant. This set is beautiful. I would love using it when I have company over and using it every day, and that's my point of view.